Hey Food for Life family, welcome back to the kitchen. Today, we're whipping up a super quick and delicious breakfast burrito that's packed with flavor and ready in minutes. Let's get started. First, in a pan, add 2 cups of cooked kidney beans and add 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese on it. It will give about 4 burritos, but I am showing only 1. Keep stirring so that the cheese gets melted. If you wanted to know how I made the beans, please check the info card above or the description box below. Now lay out your lavash bread over a pan to heat it a little bit. Transfer it to your work surface. Add some Thousand Island sauce and peppered relish. Spread the sauce, and then add couple tablespoons of homemade salad that I made earlier. Next, spread a generous layer of the bean mix right down the center. This is your hearty base. By the way, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with family or friends. Also subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss on any of the future videos like this. And there you have it. Look at that. Soft, warm, and bursting with fresh flavors. The creamy cheese, zesty relish, and hearty beans make every bite a winner. Thanks for watching Food for Life, where good food is life. Happy cooking, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Like and subscribe.